Hello everyone. Yaxshimisiz ko'pchilik? Bu Kinoda ingliz tili güneyli programmamizning 3-qismlik darsi. Bu qismlik darsimizda biz Suicide Squad degan kinodan ariya olamiz. Suicide degan o'zini o'ldirish degan gap. Suicide Squad deganda brigada hamda top bir to'p qana brigada Suicide Squadni o'zini o'ldirish uchun tashkillangan brigada degandek ma'no chiqadi. Onda olsa biz dastlabki so'zimizni o'rganaylik.
So was that like a pep talk? Yeah, that was pep talk.
Qaytadan.
So was that like a pep talk? Yeah, that was pep talk.
Yani is that like a pep talk dedi. Pep talk. Yani bir.
So was that like a pep talk? Yeah, that was pep talk.
Bu yerdagi pep talk nima degan gap desanglar? Odatda rag'bat so'zi, rag'bat paranglari. Masalan, mashqavol o'ziningki manda komanda qilinganda ro'yinmada urug'tib qo'yish uchun deydigan bir gap. G'ayrat qilib, biz manda qilamiz deb ularni rag'batlantirgan gapni qanda pep talk deydi. Buni bek jiq qo'llandi. Masalan, bir jumla tuzbasam, the coach gave the team a pep talk before the game. The coach gave the team a pep talk before the game. Coach degan mashqavol degan gap. Mashqavol komandaga yaqinda they give a pep talk. Bir rag'bat so'z berdi, rag'bat parani. Before the game. Shu musobaqadan burun. Mashqavol komandalarga bir musobaqadan burun bir robotni urg'ilgan gaplarni qildi deydi. Do you need pep talk to do this? Sanzat bir rag'batlantirgan gap qilish kerakmi ishni qilishing uchun? Qilib bermamsa degandekcha. Do you need a pep talk to do this? Yana bir misol bersam, I spent the day giving pep talks to the new students. I spent the day giving pep talks to the new students. Men bütün kunni yangi o'quvchilarga qanday bir rag'bat so'z beradigan, rag'batlantiradigan, urg'utadigan rag'bat bir paranglar o'tkazdim shu gapni deb deymiz. Bu yerdagi do you need to pep talk rag'batlantiradigan so'z demakchi.
Tells me a whole lot of people are about to die.
Yeah, it's us. We're being led to our deaths.
Speak for yourself, man.
Yana bir qitimanglar.
Yeah, it's us. We're being led to our deaths.
Speak for yourself, man.
Yana bu yerda avstraliyalik birodash Avstraliyada bizning dedi. Speak for yourself, mate. Speak for yourself, mate dedi. Mate yani. Ne? İngiliz bilan bir anlamı.
Yeah, it's us. We're being led to our deaths.
Speak for yourself, man.
Speak for yourself, mate. Bunun degini, yani keyingi biz o'rganmoqchi bo'lgan so'z ko'p uchraydi. Speak for yourself. Speak for yourself. Bular ko'p ishlatadi buni. Ma'nosi o'zing uchun so'zla demakchi. Bu bir idiom shaklida. O'zing uchun so'zla. Masalan, bir odam davomli gapni qanda men demay bizdan boshlaydi-da. Masalan, shunda yaxshi bir naqsh o'qigan bo'lsa, men bu naqshni yoqtirdim degan bo'lsak deymiz. Speak for yourself. Qanda o'zing uchun so'zla. Masalan, ba'zilar shunda dunyoning yaxshi yerida yashayotgan bo'lsa-mu, qanda shunda qaqshaydi-da. Bu yer faqat bo'lmaydi deb. Bu yer faqat bo'lmaydi desin deymiz. This is such a boring place. This is such a boring place. Bu yer bekil zerikishlik ekan desin deymiz. Speak for yourself. O'zing uchun so'zla. I like it. Qanda men bu yerni yaxshi ko'raman. Speak for yourself. Ya'ni bu yerdagi speak for yourself deganning ma'nosi so'zligicha qarshi taraf qanda siz shu qarshi tarafning so'zlagan o'y fikriga qo'shilmaganligingizni bildirmoqchi bo'lgan chaqda ishildi. Masalan, bir naqshi bor deylik.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my
Masalan, bu naqshni I don't like the song. It's a lame. Deb qasın deymiz. Speak for yourself. I like the song. The song is very good. Yoqtirmayman degandan deymiz. Speak for yourself. Bu o'zingning o'y fikri bu deb tarjima qilsak bo'ldi buni. Speak for yourself. Masalan, men mana shunday yoqtirmayman, yaxshi naqsha desam, masalan, agar yoqtirmagan bo'lsang nima deysizlar? Speak for yourself. I don't like this song. Bu o'zingning qarashi. Bizning tilimizga qanday o'zingning qarashi u degan gap speak for yourself. Buni bular bek ko'p ishlatadi. So'zimizga qaraylik.
Good money.
Are you sweet talking me? I love this guy.
Yana bir ehtimollaylik.
Making you good money.
Are you sweet talking me?
Are you sweet talking me dedi. Talking to me and sweet talk. Sweet talk. Bunun o'zinglar bila olasizlar, sweet degan tatliq, talk degan paranglashma ham sweet talk degan. Ma'lum bir odamni shu shirin shakar, yog'li gap bilan ma'lum bir ishni qilg'izib bilishni sweet talk deymiz. Masalan, birisidan pul qarzlamoqchi bo'lgan bo'lsa, qanday yog'li gaplar bilan shu qarzini ililish uchun ham qanday bir maqtaydi-da. Maqtaydigan gaplarni, yaxshi gaplarni qildi. Joe sweet talked to her into lending him the money. Joe sweet talked her into lending him the money. Ya'ni Joe uningga yog'lim gaplarni qilib, pulni qarz ilib oldi dedi. Sweet talk. Don't sweet talk to me. It doesn't work. Manga qanday bunda yog'lim gapni qilma. Oqmaydi manga. Don't sweet talk to me. It doesn't work. Yana bir misol aytsam, police sweet talked them into confessing. Police sweet talked them into confessing. Saqchilar ularni qanday yog'lim gap qilib, yog'lim gaplar bilan qanday shirin shakar gaplar bilan qanday confess degan iqror qilmoq degan gap. Iqror qildi deydi saqchilar ularni yog'lim gaplar bilan iqror qildi deymiz. Endi diqqat qilgan bir nuqta bu yerda. Asli talkqa cho'qim to degan qo'shimiz talk to bo'lib keldi, talk to me deb. Lekin miyaga ham olmaymiz. Olmaymiz. Sweet talk me. Are you sweet talking me? Shunga hargizmot are you sweet talking to me demaymiz. Are you sweet talking me? Stop sweet talking. Bugungi darsimiz mushagicha. Tushunmaganlar bo'lsa, ostiga inkasga qoldirsanlar bo'ldi.